Hey, good morning, third grade friends. Today is Friday, and you are in our math section today. Awesome. So make sure you finished up your reading stuff, all that good stuff too. So make sure you took your quiz for this morning. You could have read it again, listened to it and read it again if you wanted to one more time, or you could read it to yourself. And then make sure you listen to Mrs. Apsu's read aloud after you take the Ramona Forever quiz. So remember, you can hop on Zoom at any time with me today if you have any questions after I teach you this little math stuff. So remember, this week, yesterday and today was a lot of review stuff. I'm going to use this information a lot to see what we still need to work on Monday and then probably take the test on Tuesday. Awesome. So here we go. Number one, it says make a drawing and write an equation to show that 16 is a square number. Remember, square numbers are answers to square equations. Remember, a square equation is two of the same number, like 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4. So what you need to make a drawing for is to show that 16 is a square number. So what two numbers are the same that make 16? What two numbers can you multiply? What two factors can you multiply to make 16? So I want you to think about that and then draw an area picture. Draw an area picture. Remember, an area picture is a square, or a rectangle. But in this case, you're making this is a square number, so your drawing will be square. So make a rectangle. Make sure you put a number on the side, number on the top, your factors, and then your answer in the middle. That's what a square. So a square number is 16. It's not 16 times 16. It's what two numbers that are the same that multiply to equal 16. And then you're going to draw it. So give me that equation and then give me a drawing that goes along with it. Awesome. So, and then number two down here, I have to talk about square numbers too. The numbers 1, 4, 9, and 16 are the first four square numbers. Find the next square number. So like 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16. Those are our first four square equations with square numbers. Come up with the next one. Come up with the next ones in order. So go in order. 5 times 5 is something, and then keep going, keep going, keep going. 5 times 5, 6 times 6, keep going and write them all the way down until you get to the bottom here. Make sure you have the answers there too. This one, order of operations, PMDAS. Pandas munch during afternoon supper, parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So remember, this is the order in which to do things. Parentheses is first. So if you see parentheses, you do that first. Then you do multiplication, division, or a multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So like 4 plus 3 times 5. So I look up here. Ooh, no parentheses. I look over here. Ooh, multiplication is first. So I do 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Then plus 4. 15 plus 4 is 19. So your first one is 19. Okay. That should be pretty simple there. And then here at the bottom, these are multiplying decade numbers. I put this little line here. So these are multiplying decade numbers. So remember, multiplying decade numbers, you forget about the zero at the behind the decade number of 80. So you forget about the zero. You do 9 times 8. 9 times 8 is 72. And then you put the zero on at the end. So it'd be 720. So that's what you're doing for today. This is a lot of review stuff for Monday. And then for Tuesday, I'm taking our test. So friends, awesome. If you have any questions about this math stuff, please hop on Zoom with me so I can help you out. So remember, get your reading stuff done, get your stuff done from yesterday that I sent you, because I sent you in the stream of what you're missing. So make sure you check on that. Finish your math, do a round of extra math, and do IXL codes down here too. So one round of extra math, make sure you do that. Do your IXL codes down here too. So awesome. All right. Thank you, friends, for listening for math and getting yourself ready for a math test on Monday and Tuesday. Awesome. Have a good rest of your morning. Thanks, friends. Make sure you hit that turn in button. Turn in.